Good morning and welcome to another edition of Hippie Christmas with Mr. Tie-Dye. So it looks like we got some nice color going on there. Sun. So let's set up and open this up. Alright, here we go. And there is the Sun Tapestry, the first one. I'll get this washed. Okay, and here's the second Sun Tapestry I dyed during the live video. Yeah. Okay, let's get set up. Alright, here we go. There's the other Sun Tapestry. So I'll get these washed and I'll have pictures of these up later, and then of course we'll auction these off next Wednesday on the live video. Thank you for watching.